What are you eating, mate? How long? Wait, when did you get that?
This is a cream cheese ice cinnamon bun, and we got it with the vegan cyclist, but I don't think he saw it until now. And then I carried it from our hotel yesterday to here.
That's travelled, man. Does it still taste alright?
I've realised how big it is. It's genuinely massive. Like, that's kind of finished me off.
The only bridge we can get from Oakland over to San Francisco is that long bridge that we came over with the cab the other night.
And you can't get over it on a bike.
Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look very bike friendly. It's a fucking freeway.
Good morning and welcome to today's video. Welcome to Oakland. We're trying to get a ferry to San Francisco, but we have to wait like an hour. Today we're going to do some riding around the city, check out some sights, Golden Gate Bridge, and basically use this as a chance to do some touristy stuff.
You point the camera at?
You.
Over there. It's like when, do you remember we said last week we should speak to James, but only look at his left ear when you talk to him? The camera's off on a wonk, it's like your camera's cross-eyed.
You can't ride a bike from Oakland to San Francisco.
No, it's not very bike friendly at all, is it?
All we can do is get the ferry.
It's kind of fun though.
Or an Uber. The ferry would be fun if we'd got here when it was leaving. So quick!
It's a little bit deceptive. Look how fast we're going.
I don't think the camera does it justice really, but this is a quick boat.
I'd say
what the
this
hell?
is like 50 knots. I know nothing about boats. That means nothing.
I think it's probably faster than that.
Bike shop, get you food because you're a grumpy little shit, and then go and get inked.
Need new cleats.
Yep, I'd agree with that sentiment. You okay, man? You look so sad.
Why did you walk so much?
Everyone says you're so sad in the videos, man.
I'm not sad. I'm really not sad. How could I possibly be sad?
You telling him that he looks sad makes him sad.
Exactly.
Oh. The air is still a bit like smoggy here from the fire, but it's always quite nice. It's like no super strong sun.
Perfect for the desert.
Yeah, we wouldn't have run out of water 17 times a day. We'd have had that.
I've never seen the double mount.
My biggest regret is when I was having my awesome redone is not having a third bottle mount fitted to it.
Yeah.
I could have done. I could have had a down tube, like a bottom bracket mounted one. I should have done. I thought about it just as it was going back to the paint. I was like, oh shit.
Anyway, this is the, so we're switching our bikes out for e-bikes for the rest of the trip.
It's less used than mine. Mine looks ratty as arsehole. Mine's done about 3,000 fits now, and it looks rough.
Irrecognisable. How's your burrito? That's not a burrito. How's your burrito?
All right.
Recommendation from the bike shop: proper Mexican food.
Half a litre of Coke.
That's a normal size bottle though, 500ml in the UK.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're right, it's a fucking normal size. Look at him going on about half a litre of Coke. Half a litre of Coke.
So what you can see behind me is Alcatraz, where Sean Connery escaped a few years ago. Windy here.
We've even got raffle wankers here. That guy's dressed head to toe riding canyons. It's like, I thought San Francisco was supposed to be like, you know, kind of cool.
Did you see the movie about this?
What movie?
The Rock.
The Rock? What, Dwayne Johnson?
Every time I think like one of you is a moron, the other just betters it a little bit more.
Taking over the Francis Cave vlog. We're in San Fran. What do you want to say to your own?
Oh, it's my video.
Yeah, it's your own people.
So as this is the Golden Gate Bridge, which is red, but you can't see that it's red because there's fire, so there's smog everywhere.
It could be green. It could be more like
James's bike just fell over.
Hammersmith Bridge.
You could probably get a bit closer, but gravel.
Yeah.
Don't really want to do any gravel.
We're riding over that way tomorrow anyway, so.
It's weird seeing this in real life after seeing it in so many movies. wish it wasn't as foggy.
Are you impressed or disappointed?
Neutral. I mean, it's pretty cool.
He's mostly disappointed.
Mostly. So while it's been fantastic having a couple of days break, we're kind of missing the challenge aspect of this trip. Running through the desert, motel to motel, all we could think about was editing video, getting back on the bikes, searching for water. There was something special about it, and we're kind of missing that at the moment. So we've only got 2 more nights here, and then we're heading up the coast. Hopefully it's not this windy the whole way up the coast. Maybe. You getting his attention?
Go back.
What is this?
Lawrence is fascinated. He hasn't realised that it's fake. This is fucking Mickey Mouse, mate. It's made of plastic. But Lawrence thinks it's in ancient Greece. It's kind of cool.
It is kind of cool.
For plastic.
Can I feel you creeping in? Can I feel you creeping in? Can I feel you creeping in?
What have I found?
What have you found? You want to do? You want to ride up this ridiculous steep hill?
You cannot go to San Francisco without going up the 20% hill.
It's good. It's like 15%.
Steeper.
Yeah, it's decent.
Yeah.
The thing is, though, you don't really do it in one hit because there's a stop sign at every kind of plateau, isn't there?
Yeah, it's funny.
So you get a little bit of respite, and actually each one gets a little bit harder and harder and harder.
Let's find a descent that's not this way, like this way maybe. We won the World Cup.
Mate, I wouldn't even know if we...
I wouldn't even give a shit if we did.
The Ballfoot Cup Worlds, you know, championship.
I think it is sad that the one thing that brings a nation together is football. Like the amount of like flags and like everyone supporting the same thing, it's amazing, it's great, but it's such a shame it's for football.
You excited to go on a boat again, James?
Me?
Yeah, you love boats, don't you?
Yeah, I like boats.
Come on, man, what are you doing? What?
So good. Just to get home because we've taken the ferry over from the bay, and just like how to get home. So just quickly drop a map on Komoot and throw it to the Wahoo, and away you go. Fucking badass, dude.
Just ping straight off.
You never get lost anymore.
So that was a pretty intense day. We made it back through our questionable neighbourhood. There's lots of fireworks going on outside. We're going to go outside. I'm not going to take the camera. I'm sure you guys understand. As usual, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Probably a short one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.